Welcome to the Secrets of the Wealthy. One of the best examples that I've seen that shows the true secrets of wealth is Robert Kiyosaki's cash flow quadrant. On this, you have 4 different quadrants. You have employees, self-employed, business owners, and investors. We're actually going to break it down into just 2 halves, the left side and the right side. Now, the left side contains about 97% of the population, while the right side only has about 3% of the population. But here's the kicker. That 3% of the population on the right side actually controls 97% of the wealth, while the 97% of the population on the left side share in only 3% of the wealth. So the right side has discovered what we're going to talk about in this presentation, and they've implemented in their life. We're going to show you how you can learn the true secret to wealth and start it today with this presentation. Now, the first step is to actually put some money to work for you. The second step is to compound the profits. And the third step is just to repeat that process. Now, I'm going to go really quickly and just show the power of compounding because I don't think most people understand it. A lot of people have seen this demonstration of taking a penny and doubling it every single day for a month, but I don't think they really understand it and they haven't implemented it into their daily lives. So let's just look at it really quick. Day number 1. You start with only 1 penny. But by day 30, that 1 penny has grown into over $5 million in that single day for a total of over $10 million in just 30 days. So the question is, where would I put my money that I could compound those profits and start to really create wealth like this little demonstration? There's several options. What would be the best one? Well, let's look at a few. Maybe it would be gold. If you purchased $10,000 in gold, back in July of 2010, what would it be worth today? Today it would be worth about $8,900. That means that gold has dropped about 11% over the last 8 years. What about stocks? You take that same $10,000 and you purchased a broad array of stocks from the S&P 500 in January of 2010, it would be worth approximately $24,000. Now, we all know there's been a lot of great stocks over the last 8 years, things like Amazon and Google and many of these big companies that have absolutely exploded and people have made millions, some people even billions of dollars in stock, but it's not even close to the fastest moving segment that we're going to talk about next. That's Bitcoin. If you take that same $10,000 and you purchase $10,000 worth of Bitcoin in July of 2010, what would it be worth today? Today, believe it or not, it would be worth over $1 billion. This is the fastest moving segment in the history of the world. No real estate, no stock, nothing has had this type of growth. That's why it's creating what many people are calling a revolution. It's literally changing the entire way that this worldwide global economy is working with a brand new technology and a brand new currency. And it's creating a lot of excitement, but a lot of people don't understand how they can take advantage of it. There's 3 basic ways that you can make money in cryptocurrency. First, there's Bitcoin mining or mining other cryptocurrencies. Second, there's trading. Trading is very similar to trading Forex or stocks. You want to buy low and sell high. Third is just buying and holding. That's again very common in stocks. You buy a stock, you hold it, you hope that it goes up, then you sell it. That's where you make the profits. But we have even a better way. We have the 4th way. That's to automate it. To become and make money in mining, you have to, buy expensive equipment and do a lot of studying and learn and set it all up. To make money in trading, you have to learn the charts and how to read the charts and all these different things. To make money in buying and holding, you need to know which one to buy, when to buy it, how long to hold it, all of these different things. So the best way is to simplify it and automate it. That's what we're going to be talking about for the rest of this presentation. You're going to be able to participate in a large trading operation and actually earn cryptocurrency every single day on autopilot. Now, here's the best part. There's no enrollment fees. There's no monthly membership fees. There's no hidden fees. Every single person can get started in this. And what we're going to talk about is we're proud to introduce you to Eyeline trading. Eyeline trading is where we give every single person the opportunity to benefit in the fastest moving market in the history of the world for as little as $40 worth of Bitcoin. So even though I'm talking about dollars, this is all about cryptocurrency. We only take Bitcoin. That's approximately 0.005 to 0.006 Bitcoin. Now, our development team has over 25 years of experience. The company is based in Colombia, but we've actually developed the marketing arm for the company and it's based in the United States. We have offices all over the world. We have offices in Ogden, Utah, Salt Lake City, Utah, Orange County, California, Las Vegas, Nevada, Medellin, Colombia, San Salvador, El Salvador, Mexico City, Mexico, and many more to come. This is open internationally. Basically, anywhere that there's an internet connection and somebody has a cryptocurrency wallet, they can participate in Eyeline trading. Now, Eyeline Business Development is not a new company. They own their own wallet. They have their own cryptocurrency exchange. They have a peer-to-peer exchange. They have their own coin. They have a trading platform and much more. They even have their own mining facility. So every single thing that you can do in cryptocurrency, Eyeline Business Development has been doing it for about the last 3 years. Now, what all we're doing is creating a marketing arm and taking some of these products that most people don't know about, most people haven't been able to participate in, and we're taking them to the world. Now, we introduced these trading packages back in August of 2017 for people in the US and other worldwide markets, and now we're literally disrupting the space by allowing people to get started and to participate in these amazing trading contracts for as little as $40. So let's go ahead and look at this basic trading package. This is Eyeline's flagship product, and it allows users to be able to earn cryptocurrency every single day. Now, you can get started by purchasing as little as one package for $40 in Bitcoin. Again, that's about 0.005 or 0.006, depending on the fluctuation of the Bitcoin price. Now, it's important to understand when you take in $40 in Bitcoin and you have an affiliate marketing program, the money can only go into either one or two spaces. First off, it can go towards the trading, or it can go towards the compensation and operations. So what we've done is we've actually split it right down the middle. $20 of the Bitcoin goes towards trading, $20 of the Bitcoin goes towards affiliate fees, referral fees, and the operations of the company. Eyeline pays an average of 0.66% per day on the amount of Bitcoin that actually goes into trading. These profits are all paid in Bitcoin. Profits on each package will be paid for 365 days. Now, you can rebuy packages anytime you want. This is where that compounding comes in. This is the true power. This is the true secret of wealth. You can also withdraw the returns daily. This allows people to earn regardless of what's happening in the market. Now, we've created a very simple system for people to follow, and we call it 6 months to 6 figures. There's 4 simple steps. Step number 1, you get started with your Bitcoin package. Step number 2, use this presentation or one of our other presentations to find 3 business partners. The goal is to do that within 3 weeks. Step number 3, you help your 3 duplicate the process. And step number 4, this is the power. This is the secret to wealth. Compound at least 10% of your profits. Many people will compound more, but you want to compound at least 10% of your profits if you really want to create wealth. Let's take a look at this really quick. Again, step number 1, you get started with your own Bitcoin package. Step number 2, you share this presentation with as many people as it takes to find 3. The goal is to do that in no more than 3 weeks. So here's your first 3 weeks. Now you go ahead and jump on a little bit further. Each one of these steps is 3 weeks. We go on to the final period. This is a total of about 6 months. Your earnings, this is not in the trading. This is just in the affiliate referral fees, would be over $8,000. Now, if you just compounded 10% of that, that'd be around $800. So if I compound 10%, $800, that's 20 more contracts. Now, what does that do? That means that not only am I making a lot more profits, now I can compound every more, but all of the other people that I'm referring, as they start to compound, then I earn more money. So if everybody started to purchase 20 contracts over that 6-month period, now all of a sudden, instead of earning $8,000, it'd be 20 times that. It'd be $160,000, or 50 times that, or 100 times that. There's no limit on the amount that people can earn. But here's one thing that I also want to point out. Even if you earned 0% of the goal, meaning you got started with that Bitcoin package, you put just a little bit of money to work for you, and that money started profiting every single day, and you start to compound those profits. Even if you refer 0 people, you're still going to make great profits within your first year. This is what I love about this company. This is what I love about this opportunity. Every single person wins. So if this makes sense, simply get back to the person who invited you to this presentation, get started with your Bitcoin package and start sharing this with as many people as you can, as fast as you can. Now I want to point a couple things out. Number one, it doesn't have to take 6 months. You could find 3 people in your first day. You could find 3 people in your first week. If you found 3 people in your first week, it's going to cut it to 90 days. If you found 3 people in your first day, you're going to cut that whole process down into just a couple weeks. There's unlimited commissions that can be earned here. Every single person now knows the secret to wealth. If after hearing this information, you don't make a change in your life, it's your own fault, because we just shared with you the exact secrets to wealth that the people that have gone out there and created true wealth and time freedom have implemented in their life. And we've shown you how you can implement that in your life with as little as $40. So again, get back to the person who invited you to the presentation and get your business started today.